Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Speak to Me, a brand new episode, and we have a very beautiful, talented, and the achiever right from Mumbai being live with us. And the lady is, yes, the one who secured the award in 2015 as Shravan Queen, 2017 that was Mrs. Riger, and 2019 international pageant that was held at Singapore, named as Mrs. Heritage International, including Heritage Pages 2019, organized by ePlanet Private Limited, and she was the winner for Mrs. Heritage International 2019, and also the actress for Marathi film industry. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the lovely lady sharing the screen with us right here from Mumbai. This is Vidya Ghari. Vidyaji, welcome to the show.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So Vidyaji, how the life going on?
Right now, it's family time completely. Enjoying my
Okay.
life with my family. Yeah.
Okay. So before lockdown and after lockdown during this global pandemic, so did you learn something else or you are just busy with your household work?
Not exactly, but I have done some more work also. I completed my one business session with my
Mhm.
husband, online business session. It's related to our business, so I complete that, and I also take some dance workshops.
Mhm.
So yes, and I gave my time to my family. And every day I used to call one person from my friends or my family with whom I have
Mhm.
not in touch from since longer time. So I call up them and I just have word with them. So this is how I spend my work lockdown.
Okay. So if
Yeah.
you look back to your track relating with the pageants and your participation and success, it was 15 when you were being crowned as Mrs. Sound Queen or Sound Queen.
Yes.
And then
Yes. Yes.
17 after 2 years, you were being crowned as Mrs. Riger. And right there after 2 years, in 19, you were crowned as Mrs. Heritage International
Yes, sir.
2019. Now, can we
Yes.
expect something in 21?
Actually, I have no plans to participate in beauty contest anymore. But yes, I am concentrating my my acting skills right now. So maybe I'll be entered in Marathi film. I have already entered in Marathi film industry, but maybe in lead role I will be entered.
Okay, we'll be looking forward for that as well.
Yes,
So let's
thank you.
recall the moment when you were in the very first page in Sound in 2015. Was it a
Yeah.
plan that, yes, I would be taking part in this competition, or someone suggested, yes, this is a good platform coming and you might be interested in somewhere to perform on stage? So that was the coincidence, or you just planned, yes, this is the right moment to take part?
To be very honest, it was a coincidence. I was more in dancing and all. Dance is my passion, so I more participated in dance competition. But in 2015, I just came across with this beauty pageant to Shravan Queen, and I thought let's try. So I just participated coincidentally, and I stand first runner up in that pageant, and also subtitled with a best costume and a best walk. So of
Okay.
course, obviously, after winning that pageant, I got some confidence that yes, I can also participate in pageants also. So the journey begins, and I started doing more and more pageants.
So, since it was the very first time, was it easier for you or it was difficult to stand on high heels, perform your catwalk? So, how long it was practicing and how long it took for you to be comfortable with the heels?
No, no, it took me comfortable with the hills. I don't think I did any struggle kind of thing in my first beauty pageant. But yes, it was my first, so many things I learned from that pageant. And for the stage, I have done a stage show, so I have no fear like stage fear or all. But it helps me because of I used to dance on stage, so it helps me a lot to stand as a beauty queen also on stage. Yeah.
Okay. So, recalling your childhood days, so can you share some moments right now? What is the exciting part of your childhood days been?
Uh, I was very naughtiest child in my family and in school days also. I'm very naughty student. But at the same time, I used to be very favorite of my teachers, as I am very active in other curriculum activities like dancing, sports. I have performed 2 times on national TV from my school for the dance performance I have done.
Mhm.
And I'm very lovable at my family. So yes, I was very active in my childhood also.
So, how was your school days, and can you remember when you were in the very first day at your school? Was it difficult to adjust with the new environment, or you happily entered the school and get blended with all the children out there?
As I remembered, I think I was very happy to get entered in the school. And I never cried or any drama time situation that not want to go to school or anything. I enjoyed my school life a lot. I was an
Mhm.
average student, not a so bright child in studies, but in other activities I was very active.
Mhm. During the school
Yeah.
days, you were more bonded with the boy child or girl child,
Girl's child, absolutely girl child.
and because of that, you were shy towards the boys when you grew up, or it was just casual thing. It happened in school days. Now, in when you enter in the college, so there was no issue being friend to boys.
No, no, not at all.
Okay. So as we come to know that you're more fond of dancing and extracurricular activities, so you took formal dance training, or you just learned from all TVs, YouTubes, and anything else that is available.
I started my dancing style is Bollywood dancing style, and of course watching TVs and all. And just 5 years back, I learned our dance form Kathak.
Mhm.
Just 5 years back, I had started learning Kathak.
So you completed a study in Kathak, or still you are learning Kathak?
I'm still learning, sir. I'm still learning.
So can you remember the very first time you performed professionally? That means you didn't
Mhm.
perform for the entertainment, you didn't perform for a cause, but it was earning. So someone is paying for you as a performer.
No, not such a like that.
Okay, you haven't performed
Yeah,
professionally so far.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so performing on stage, how excited you become? Is it same when you enter very first time, or is it different nowadays?
Uh, I think it's a little different, more confident, and more trust in myself. Obviously, attending so many beauty pageants now, I'm I can believe myself. So yes, it's little different, definitely. It
So
has
earlier
already
days when
boosted
you were
my.
not into pageant, still you have been performing as a dance performer, the best you are doing. And nowadays, since you have earned so many achievements in pageant, again including international pageant, now whenever you are announced on stage, Mrs. Heritage International 2019, Vidya Z is going to perform next. So this makes you
Yes,
happy or pressurize you because you have earned international now. You cannot make mistake on stage. Does it take in that way, or it is very normal for you?
it's very normal for me, and I am so happy to be as a winner of Mrs. Heritage International. And first of all, I'm a performer, so it's no matter what. But when I'm dancing, when I'm performing, it gives me happiness.
Okay, so we'll be talking more about your journey in pageants as well as your film industry. We have segments in our talk show. This would be the very first one. So you'd be provided with two options in each question. You need to pick up one option, and if possible, give reason why that is your preference. If not, it's okay. The questions comes in this
Okay,
way: what do you prefer to eat, brown bread or white bread?
brown bread.
Any reason?
As I'm health conscious, I will definitely go for a brown bread.
Okay. Vegetables or fruits?
Vegetables.
Apples or
I don't
bananas?
like fruits much.
Okay.
Bananas.
Apples or bananas?
Bananas.
Bananas. So is it again becoming health conscious? If then it might be apple, but now bananas. Why bananas?
Banana is the fruit from which I started my day in the morning. So first, after taking my warm water, I take banana. as I live for a gym after that. So it's for a protein, I take banana.
Okay. Grapes
Yeah.
or oranges?
Oranges.
Okay.
Oranges.
What do
Yes.
you prefer to eat? Pastry or cookies?
Pastries.
Okay. Fried or boiled?
Boiled.
So besides being health conscious, any other reason?
No, not other reasons. Only health conscious
That's
is
only
the
the reason.
reason.
So is it a very early time you have been eating boiled food, or it's just recently started 5, 6 years back?
6 years back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you found changes before you were not eating boiled food and after consuming the boiled food? Any change in your fitness, overall health?
Yes, I lost some inches.
Or you lose more fats and calories?
Yeah, that is what I lose some inches. I lose some fat from my body. So
Okay.
yes, boiled food is perfectly for me.
Okay. So what do you prefer? Traveling, or in what way you want to
Traveling,
travel? Traveling by
I
its transportation, it's by train or railways, or traveling by plane?
okay. If there is option only of train and plane, then it's plane. But if it is plane, then a car, then I will go for a car. But if it is
Okay.
train and plane, then yes, definitely a plane.
Okay. So if car and plane, you are going for car. So
Yes,
why
yes,
car?
yes. I like road journeys, sir. I like long drives. I like to explore cities by road. So yes, I love long drives. So I love driving by car, drive by car.
So what's the longest route you so far have traveled in a car?
In a car,
Yeah.
Goa. Yeah, it's
Goa,
in
from Mumbai to
Maharashtra.
Goa.
Yeah, yeah,
So how
yes.
long it is?
It takes 8 to 9 hours.
Uh,
Yeah.
So you love adventure, that is.
Sorry.
You love adventure, that means.
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely.
So where you want to be visiting, amusement park or historical sites?
Historical sites.
Okay. As an actress, if you are given choice, you would love to act in romantic movies or drama.
Drama, of course.
Okay.
Drama.
If you need to opt for the net movies right from net, then would it be Netflix or Amazon Prime?
Amazon Prime.
Okay. Using social networking sites, Insta or Facebook?
Facebook, Facebook, Facebook. I
So
spend my more
because it is
time on
comfortable,
Facebook.
or any other specific reason?
I don't know, but I found Facebook is more close to my heart than Insta. Still,
Okay.
I'm not so much active on Insta. I like to spend my time. If I'm free and I want to spend my time on social media, then it's Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah.
Reading books or watching television?
Reading books,
So what kind of books you prefer to read?
inspirational stories, and I have uh, uh, I have read only Marathi books as my mother tongue is Marathi. So yes, inspirational stories are make me more happier.
Uh, so you prefer no makeup or with makeup most of
A
the time?
little makeup, a little makeup. Not a loud makeup I prefer, but a little makeup makes you look more beautiful and feel confidently.
Okay. Sandals or high heels?
High heels, high heels, absolutely.
What inches are your comfort zone? Is it 3, 4
Mm,
inches or more than that?
yes, yes, yeah. 3, 4, 3, 4.
No.
Yeah,
Uh, what do you prefer, hairstyling or makeup?
makeup.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sari or lenga?
sari.
Earrings or
All
bangles?
questions are. I'm enjoying this interview, sir. Sorry, what was your question? Bangles or what?
Earrings.
Earrings, earrings.
Okay. Any specific
Yeah.
reason for giving that choice?
Um, I don't know, but even now I have no not wear any bangles in my hand. But earrings I love to shop also, and I like different kinds of earrings. So yes, earrings.
Gold or silver?
Gold. I don't like silver color
Okay.
most. Yeah.
So keeping long hair or short hair?
Long hair. Long hair.
Okay. Watching movies at home or theater?
At home. And if I'm not watching, that is also a good. Like I don't like watching movies.
Okay. Marriage anniversaries or birthdays?
Birthdays.
Okay. And then, if you need to give this choice, Shawan Queen or Mrs. Raigal?
Mrs. Ragged. Mrs.
Because?
Ragged. I'm the winner of that pageant.
Okay. Mrs. Raigal or Mrs. Heritage International 2019?
The one and only Heritage International.
Because that gave you international exposure.
No, not exactly, but I felt proud that I performed and I represented my country and I won. I think that
Okay.
matters really for me because I did so much of hard work to get that victory.
So we have back to back another segment. This is to rank the options according to your choice, according to your priority. So I'll be giving you 3 options in a question. So you need to rank 1, 2, and 3 according to your choice, according to your priority, or the way you can perform the best on the options. So if you need
Okay.
to rank singing, acting, and dancing as you love to perform and as you are good at singing, dancing, and acting, what would be 1, 2, 3?
Dancing, acting, and singing.
Okay. Likewise, listening, speaking, and writing.
Speaking, listening, writing.
Okay. Traveling, watching movies, and cooking.
Traveling, cooking, watching movies.
Okay. What you love more, losing body weight, changing hair color, or doing cosmetic surgery if need to do?
Losing weight.
Number 1. And remaining,
Yeah.
changing hair color and
Okay.
cosmetic would be second
I
goal.
have to give. Changing hair color is in my number, but cosmetic is no ever. Like it's
Oh.
not in my list. It's not in my list. Not on a third number.
Okay. So in communication, utilizing these options. So if you need to call someone, what would be your option as your choice? Messenger, Viber, or WhatsApp? 1, 2, 3.
Messenger. Next, what you said, sir? By word.
Second is Viber. Third is WhatsApp.
By call, I will prefer to talk.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the festival you love because of so and so reason. Dasara, Diwali, and Holi. 1, 2, 3.
Diwali, Dashera, Holi. I don't like, sir. But yes.
Because you don't like to play with the colors.
Yeah, I don't like to play with the colors, but I like to play with water if it is good. Yeah,
So
but
you can
Diwali
play
is
water
my
Holi rather than color Holi.
color Holi. Yes.
So if you need to experience something adventurous, what would be your choice? 1, 2, 3. Bungee jumping, skydiving, or scuba diving?
To be very honest, no, nothing I will do.
You don't want to experience the adventure.
Yeah, I don't want to do so.
Likewise, we have more options. What is that you don't like? Bad taste, bad smell, or backbiting? The most you hate: bad taste, bad smell, and backbiting.
Bad smell,
Number 1.
bad taste, and remaining.
Okay. How would you define yourself as a person in these qualities? 1, 2, 3. Helpful, hardworking, and honest.
Hardworking, honest, helpful.
Okay. Likewise, again the qualities: brave, bold, and beautiful. What comes first, second, and third?
Bold, beautiful, brave.
Okay. Likewise, friendly, fun-loving, and forgiving.
Can you repeat, sir?
Friendly,
Uh-huh.
fun-loving, and forgiving.
Friendly, forgiving, and what was the third one?
Fun-loving.
Friend-giving and fun-loving. Yes.
Okay. So that means you are not fun-loving kind of person.
Yes, but the other options are also there, so I have to make them in rank. Yeah.
No issues. So if you want to say this is not me at all, what is that on the ranking? So what is not you? Lazy, proudy, and selfish. What is not you the most?
Proudy.
Okay, second.
What are the other options?
Selfish and lazy.
Proudy, selfless, lazy.
Okay. What is not you again? Short-tempered, absent-minded, and gossiping girl.
Short-tempered, gossiping girl.
You are not.
Absent-minded. Absent-minded.
Absent-minded and gossiping.
Yes.
And what is not good at? You are not good at supposed to be. So what is not good at? Asking help, saying no to people, or lying?
I'm not good at asking help, saying no to the people, and I never lie, sir. I never lie.
Okay. That's good. And the last one, what is not good at again? Pretending, convincing people, and saying jokes.
I'm not good at.
Yeah.
Can you repeat?
Pretending, convincing people, and saying jokes.
Convincing people, pretending, and saying joke.
Okay. So we're done with 2 segments and we have more to come. And let's talk about your journey. So when and how it happened. This is Mrs. India Heritage International and then Mrs. Heritage International. So we know Mrs. Heritage International that you took part, but how and when you have been offered, how that moment came in your life, being chosen as the delegate from India to Heritage Pageants 2019 as Mrs. India Heritage International 2019.
So basically, I have connection with our national head, Mrunal Gaikwad. So she was the judge at Mrs. Navi Mumbai when I participated in 2016. She was there as a judge. I was not make the. I didn't make it that pageant in 2016, but Mrunal ma'am was there, and I was in touch with her. And when Mrs. India was announced, so he just called me up and he said that this is the pageant, and if you are interested, then please send your photos. So take your audition. So this is how the journey started. I sent my profile, I sent my photographs to her. She took my auditions, like my talent round or my walk and everything. And then she gave me idea about the pageant, and finally I got selected to participate in Mrs. Heritage International.
So how was the preparation? So the preparation might be different and might be changed on the basis of participating in domestic pageant and international pageant. So what were the areas you prepared yourself just before you landed to Singapore?
Absolutely. The experience, my experience was very different than my domestic pageants. I took Heritage International Pageant as a challenge and as a responsibility towards my country more than myself and only me. So yes, I done so much. I studied. I learned a lot about my country because my concentration is only on how I can win this pageant and how I will take that first crown to my country. So, yes.
Okay. Besides the main title award, you also took away 3 categories: ethnic, yes, talent, and personality. And I still remember you performed dance in, yes, talent round. So yes, that was the performance you prepared, or that was something that you know already, and that is just a practice you need to do to remind yourself. Or you prepared same thing for the pageant?
I prepared that same thing for the pageant.
So when you were entering the international platforms, when you made the other delegates from different countries, so what was the experience when you made the delegates the very first day when you made different ladies from different countries?
Mrs. Heritage International was very special for me, and it's because I met I met so many friends from different countries, and this is the first time in my life I met them. And I have never thought that I will make friends throughout the world. And from each and every contestant, I learned something, and we are still in touch with each other. So, yes, this is the long term friendship, and I'm blessed to have all of them in my life.
So obviously, winning the award and being crowned is the most memorable journey of that event. Other than that, what things that you have stored in your memory, right from the pageant participation, are the contestants or the training part, visiting part? So what was more interesting overall in the pageant?
In Heritage Pageant, you're asking
Yes,
about?
yes.
Okay. I can remember the heritage pageant through from the first day of my landing in Singapore airport. I remembered everything. I enjoyed my pageant. I enjoyed that 7 days. Those are the 7 days in my life have a different part of my life. And yes, I enjoy the rounds. I enjoy because I have been practicing for that rounds from 1 month before the pageant started. So yes, the everything, the my friends, the the round part, we explore Singapore. We together explore the Singapore, and we learned so much from you too, sir. And I think every single moment of heritage pageant, I this is the most precious thing for me. It's memorable
So other
for me.
than that wonderful experience, what was the competitive note? So did you found some more contestants being more competitive than you, or that was pressure for you because you already won two domestic awards, now you're representing the country, and if you could not win or if you could not make to the finals, so all those questions were coming in your head, or it is something, yes, this is a fresh pageant because this is first time in international, no matter I achieve or not, I need to give my best. That was the thing that were in your head, or something else?
To be very honest, I participated and I was so confident that yes, I can do this and I can be a winner of this pageant. But on the other side, yes, I even thinking that no matter what happens, I will be given my best, and it makes no sense that if I won or if I don't. So it's just like that. But I tried hard, and I was so confident that yes, I can and I will this win this competition.
Okay, and then you made to the finals and you won the crown and made
Yes,
yourself and made your country proud. And that was
yes.
the odd representation from India in the Heritage International Pageant and Mrs. category, and you were the winner. So, did you found anyone competitive to you, or they were as good as you were?
In Mrs. category,
Yeah.
no.
So here we share some of your pictures and let us know the moment of these pictures. If you can recall, let's define the pictures. Can you
Okay.
tell something about this picture?
This picture is a very favorite of mine, and I'm glad you shared this. At the time of this picture, there was only one thing in my mind that I am a warrior,
Uh-huh.
and I think I am a warrior. This
Well
is the
said.
feeling when, yeah,
This one,
yellow color is my all-time favorite, sir. So, yes, it's my favorite, yellow color.
So let's know about the moment.
Yes, now time to send two more girls to represent our country in international beauty pageants. So feeling proud that I crowned them
Okay.
as Miss.
Selecting
Yeah.
2020 delegates for Miss
Yes.
Mrs. from India.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God. That green gown girl is my best friend, my bestie. We called each other partners in crime. And in middle, my friend Dev Agnihotri. Oh God, I don't have it. They are my very good friends. So
the picture was shot
backstage,
in any program
backstage fun. It was, yes, it was a backstage fun. Now I'm so excited. Which are the next? Okay, so here are the three Mrs. Raigarh winners: 17, 18, and 19. Mrs. Raigarh. Yeah.
You're taking the lead as 17, middle is 18,
yes.
and then 19.
19, yes. We three are the winner of Mrs. Raigarh. Okay. After winning Mrs. Heritage, I attend so many events as a guest of honor, and this is one of them, and a proud moment to receive a guest of honor from the organizers.
Okay, next one.
Again, it's a dance show, and I called as a guest of honor. And here are lovely ladies, my friends, with me. Oh, this is such a touchy moment. This was the very first time I perform in a fashion show and as a celebrity dancer. Yeah. This is like our Navratri costume, playing dandiya. This is also one of my favorite picture. In 2017, after winning Mrs. Raigarh, I was appointed as a district level judge for one Maharashtra level competition, and the pic was at the grooming session when I used to I used to groom my contestants, and this pic was there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my friend, my dancing partner, last year only. We performed together. Oh my God. Today is the day, sir, when I won Mrs. Raigarh in 2017. It's on 10th September. Yeah.
This is 11th September 2020.
Yes.
And you crowned 11th September 2017.
Mrs. Raigarh 2017.
So coincidence is happening again.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, this is again in that grooming part when me and Mrunal ma'am appointed as a district level judge and groomer. Yeah. We are giving a demo to the. Yes, and I won. I won the heritage pageant. The moment is so close to my heart.
So, can you remember the name of runners-up standing beside you?
Durga is my. We are in touch. Still, we are in touch, and I have some plans to visit Nepal for Durga.
Okay. And past runner-up. You can remember the country name. That's okay.
Country name.
Anyways, no issues.
My show director. To be very honest, I used to scared so much.
Okay, we're done with the memory. So that was the moment when I faced the accident and I was there with, as
Yeah,
I
I
used
was
to tell the
supposed to
author,
ask
I'm
you,
there with 50% because I
is
faced a
there your
severe
leg
accident
is
a week prior.
okay? Is there your
That
leg
is
is
where
okay
my
now?
shoes were cast shoes. I'm not wearing proper shoes
Oh, yes, I know,
for
sir.
long journey.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now moving on to the part that is where you entered in the Marathi movies. So how it happened?
Uh, Social media have done this, sir. And one day I got a message on my messenger that, ma'am, we have already seen you as a performer, and if you are interested to work with us, then could you just give an audition?
Mhm.
So I just said yes for the audition. I gave audition and I got selected for that particular role. As in that first, it was my first film, and I am as a doctor in that film. Even
Okay.
after I did my second film, and in that film also coincidentally, I'm performing as a doctor only
Mhm.
in second film also. Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
So, so if you can imagine, so being a doctor would be more easier than performing as a doctor, or being doctor would be more difficult than performing as a doctor.
Performing doctor is more easier, sir, absolutely. And I enjoyed that. Being an actress, this is the plus point that I can be anything what I want. I can be doctor, I can be lawyer, or I can play any kind of role. So
Okay.
yes, being a role is easier.
So so far, what different types of role you have played?
Uh, Up till date now, I only played a doctor's role, not others. Yes, I'm
Okay.
still waiting for my opportunities.
Okay. So if you need to pick up the roles by yourself, a future project, what would be your dream role to play on?
I would love to do the mythological stories.
Mhm.
And there was one film, Bajirao Mastani,
Mhm.
in Hindi. Yeah, you must be know. So that from that film, I would love to do Kashi's role, which Priyanka Chopra has played. So I would love to do that Kashi role,
Okay.
Kashi
So
Bai role.
being in
Yeah,
the movies, so if offers come from short movies or even from music videos or web series or TV series, so you will happily say yes or you will be thinking on that.
so there are my few terms and conditions. I want to be an actress, but on my terms and my condition. If from that side everything is fair work, then I will definitely go for it. I will not think about a movie, it's short movie or a big banner movie. I will not think about all that. Yeah, if the role is fitted for me, if I think that I can perform very well in that role,
Mhm.
so I will definitely go for it.
Is it that you just wait for to be casted in a lead role or any kind of role that is character role is also okay for you?
Also okay for me, sir. The character role is also okay for me.
So that is
It is
something
not.
called passion of being an actor, no matter lead or a character actor.
Exactly, exactly, exactly. It will be give me the experience
Mhm.
after all.
Okay. So it's only the thing that you need to be in front of the camera and things start action, then things comes into action.
Exactly,
So you
exactly,
have experienced the stage as a performer in a dance. You have experience as a performer in a beauty pageants, and you have experience as a performer in front of big camera, that is Hollywood movies. So
Hmm.
comparing all these things, so who is more connected? Is it Vidya in movie is more connected, or pageants, or as a dance performer?
As a dance performer.
So you're more passionate about dancing.
Yes,
Okay.
dancing.
So you have also judged some of the events after you have been chosen in the international scene as a winner. So there was a moment when you have been judged by the people, and now moments are coming to you, and you have already experienced judging others. So how you differentiate that experience being judged and judging others?
Uh, Being judged, yes, I will. still, whatever I have achieved today in my life, I will like to perform more. I will like to participate more, and I would like to get judged by others, no matter. And
So, yeah, there are lots of criterias when you judge people. So let's talk about the patient. So being a judge, what you look on in a contestant to give certain numbers, what you basically look on as a judge.
my first priority will be body language and the confidence Yes.
Okay. And if happen to ask the question, and when the contestant is replying your question, what would be the area you would be looking on to give the number for the answers?
Honestly, I will see that how honest she is. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we quickly move on to other segment. This will be the last segment of our show. And these are the if questions. So these are not real questions, but if it happens in the life, how would we reacting to these questions? That is only the thing. So it's a fun-filled segment again. So if you were being a man, what would you have done?
Maybe I was a pilot of a plane. If I was,
so you would be participating in male pageants?
No. 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 To be very honest, I like a man. No, I will not say anything.
So if you were a flower, where do you want to blossom? In a garden or a flower pot?
In a garden.
Because?
More life in a garden than a flower pot.
More space, more freedom?
More space, more freedom, more life. That is what the more life.
If you were to be a food, which food you would love to be like?
Chicken.
So chicken, what type of chicken? Is it grilled, roasted, or gravy?
Chicken sausages.
If you could make an animal to fly, which animal would you love to make fly?
Dog.
Dog. So why should dog fly?
I love dogs, and I many times found. Hello. Yeah. I don't know why, but there is some connection with dogs. And if I want to choose only one animal, dogs are someone like who should get loved from, like everyone. And if he could fly, then it will be good. It will be good for him. Yeah.
So if you could make a bird swim, which bird would you love to make swim?
Bird. I think bird swims, sir. Every bird swims, right?
Not every bird, but swimming birds are there. But anyone who cannot swim, let's say flying birds who cannot swim.
Okay, so parrot.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you could be invisible, where you want to go?
Invisible? In front of my husband?
Not being visible. Okay. If you could read mind, whose mind would you love to read?
Contestants. When I'm judging someone. Yeah.
So if you need to eat same breakfast
for
next period of life, what would be that breakfast all day, every day?
Chicken sausages and boiled egg.
Okay. And if for the same
every day.
Lunch, what would be the lunch for the rest of the life?
Brown rice with broccoli.
And if the dinner, the rest of the life?
Thai curry and rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if animals could talk like human beings, which animal would you love to gossip with?
Dog.
Again, dog. Okay.
Yes.
So if you were a fashion icon and you need to start a fashion trend, what fashion trend would you love to start?
Fashion trend.
Anything that you are going to start, people are going to follow that.
I'm more in fashion, and I love to wear everything. So there is nothing particular kind of thing that which I want to, you know,
Start.
pick.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So if you could transform yourself in any other Bollywood celebrity, who could be he or she?
Madhuri Dixit.
Okay. So it could be a he, then who would be he?
Sorry,
If the actor, then who would be?
if it is an actor, then Hrithik Roshan.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this would be the last one in this segment. If you need to ask a question to me, what would you ask?
To you. Are you married, sir?
It's a top secret.
Okay, so
So let the secret to be remain secret.
okay.
Anything else?
Yes, sir. What's next?
What's
next?
So what
Yeah.
next is okay. The basic thing is I do plan, but I don't plan either again. I do plan
Okay.
because what I'm going to do next. So I plan for today because I'm going to interview, but I will not plan for next days. That is,
Next
I will
days.
not plan for future. I'll plan for something that is coming up. In that way, I work because there are planning and there are no planning. So I just grab the opportunities that come
Opportunity.
so that I can work easily.
Same
And
here.
I
Same
look
here, sir.
what was the future, so that
Yes,
keeps
sir.
me engaged and busy as I am today. So that is what I love to do.
Yes, sir. That's great. And I found me in you, because even I'm likely the same way you are. Even I don't plan something for my future. I believe in today, and what opportunity I can grab today now is more important than what I will do in my future. So yes,
And
today is the
that
day.
might be one coincidence we are sharing the screen right now because having similar thoughts.
Yes, maybe.
So now the same question comes to you. What is upcoming? Is it movies or something else you want to start on your own, like dance academy?
No, not really. I'm not thinking about to start my dance academy, but yes, my husband want me to do so in my future. And next coming is definitely a movie or a video album song. There are few projects in my hand in pipeline, but just waiting for the things goes normal. And as soon as it will start, will we go back to our work for a movie shoot.
Okay, we
Yeah.
wish you all the best for your all those
Thank you so
projects to come
much.
in action, and we
Thank
will
you.
love to have you in another episode in future after you do
Sure,
lots of
I would
projects, and
love
there
to.
will be another way to talk to you.
Yes,
And
definitely,
now
sir.
moving on, since we are done almost with 15 minutes of our talk show and few more minutes we can talk to each other.
Yes,
So
sir.
the thing is that after getting married,
Mhm.
has your life been changed too much, or it is slight and gradual changes?
It's changed too much. My
In
husband, yeah, in every way, like yes, I've been a mother of two, and being a mom is definitely a very precious thing happen in my life. And my husband is so cooperative and so supportive. Even I have achieved everything in my life is after my marriage only. So yes, it changed my life, and a positive change.
okay,
Yeah.
so being a daughter and being a daughter-in-law, so more responsible is in which part?
Daughter-in-law, of course. Daughter-in-law.
Have you ever experienced your personal freedom is so much been shrinked because of those responsibilities?
No, no, sir. I believe in multitasking. I know how to manage my life, being mother, being wife, being a daughter-in-law. So yes, this is the difficult task for me, but I think I am handling this very nicely and very finely. I
So,
took out
Vidya,
time for
as your
myself.
personality, which role had just been compatible to you? Being a daughter, being a daughter-in-law, being a life partner, and being a mother. In which role you find yourself? This is what Vidya exactly is.
What are that roles? Can you just repeat? A daughter-in-law, a wife,
Daughter, wife, and mother.
daughter, wife, and mother. Sir, I'm all-rounder.
So you score everywhere.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And
I see,
appreciate
I
that.
see myself, I see myself, I want to make everyone happy in my life. I give equal time to each one. And even after I'm following my own passion. I'm handling my family, my kids, my husband, everything at the same time. And very nicely, I'm doing this job, I think. So yes, I'm multitasker and I can do everything at the same time. I can be good in everything at the same time. Yeah.
Okay. So it's all about the life is all about receiving so many things, learning and earning. Life has to give lot of things to us, and we are taking in either way. Now, talking about the patients, what else you learn rather than what you learn in your personal life after joining the pageant? These are the things that exactly I learned. So can you sum up the things that you learn only being the part of the pageant?
Absolutely. Being participating in beauty pageant is definitely a beautiful experience. You love yourself, you believe yourself, you trust yourself, you recognize yourself, you work on your communication skills, your confidence,
Mhm.
and the moment when you stand in front of a huge crowd of unknown people, the judges, the family, the friends, that moment gives you the confidence which not only help you till that patient but also for your future plans too. It definitely helps you you handle stress,
Mhm.
pressure, disappointment in your life. This is the benefit we get from beauty pageant. We learn so many things from beauty pageant, so
Yeah,
that's it.
well said. So this is where we are to stop our interview, and yes, thanking you to say yes, being a part of this show. We learned
And
more on your side, and that was an honor and privilege to have you as a guest of this show. And before we
same
say
here.
bye-bye to you,
Yes,
we
sir.
love to hear more from you. The last note, that is positive message from Mrs. Heritage International 2019 Vidya Dhari. What would be the positive message that would be conveyed to anyone who is watching us live now and people who would be watching the recorded version? What would be a positive message, the message that is going to be inspiring?
Follow your dream and don't take shortcuts. Believe in yourself and do hard work. This is my message.
Do you want to add something on it?
That's it. I'm done.
Done. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is where we are all set. So
Yeah.
54 minutes plus, and that was
Yeah.
wonderful and fun-filled talking with you. And we
Yes,
hope
sir.
to see you again in future. Thank you
Sure, sir.
joining Speak to Me and making it a little bit more international
Thank
because we
you,
are
sir.
talking
Thanks.
international as well.
Thanks to you
And
having me
thank you
here.
so much for being the part of the event because this is live event. And we wish you all the best. Thank you so much, Vidya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care. Yeah.
So with that, we come to the end of the talk show, Speak to Me, live by my Facebook page. We thank Vidya Z, that is the winner of Mrs. Heritage International 2019, for being a part of the event. We will be seeing in next episode. Till then, make sure that you remain healthy, you remain fit, and yes, keep on smiling, keep on being healthy, and move on with your life. Chase your dreams and live happy the way you can. That's all. Thank you, and we'll see you in next episode. This is me, Roy, saying bye bye. Thank you.